I've sat across the table from hundreds of pastors having conversations around deliverance ministry, and most do not practice deliverance ministry. And I want to give you 5 reasons why I believe that's the case. Number 1, they were never trained for it, right? They go to seminary or they get training, and it never covers deliverance. It covers theology, homiletics, pastoral counseling. Open up any textbook or systematic theology book, and you're not going to see many pages on casting out of demons. I've discovered that most pastors aren't resistant, they just genuinely do not know how, or nobody's ever showed them. Number 2, they've never seen it done well. The only examples they have are Hollywood exorcisms or bad faith showmanship on TV or YouTube. So the word deliverance sounds theatrical or even manipulative. And they're not wrong to be skeptical of that version. It's just not the actual real thing. Number 3, they're afraid of getting it wrong. What if the person manifests and they freeze? What if it doesn't work? So instead of risking a bad outcome, they don't start. And guys, honestly, this fear of failure is doing more damage than a careful attempt ever would. Number 4, the counseling only default. That's a mental health issue. Let me refer you to a therapist. And guys, I see this time and time again. Many people come to me and say, my pastor doesn't know what to do with this. They just push me onto a therapist. And sometimes it's the right call because, therapy is a huge part of our healing journey, but it's oftentimes incomplete because trauma and oppression can coexist. And the local church has been handing off its responsibility for numerous years. Number 5, and this is a big one, they believe Christians can't have demons. It's a theological position, and I hear it all the time. And this is one of the bigger hang-ups, especially in Reformed and Baptist circles. That's my friend circles. I grew up Baptist and Calvinist. But guys, Scripture doesn't actually teach that. Paul warns believers about the devil's footholds. And I've watched real born-again Christians walk out of oppression that every other category of help couldn't touch. And so if the theology leaves faithful believers unhelped, maybe we should take a look at that theology. So in light of that, I wrote a full chapter in my book, Jesus the Deliverer, on chapter 3 called Demonization of the Christian. And I've given every scripture, every counter argument, biblical, not speculative. And I'm giving that chapter away free. So if you go to battletogether.com /chapter 3, it's also in the bio. You can get that chapter for free. And I would love to hear any questions that you'd have about this.